3KG broilers in 5 weeks. Best breed, feed formula, and fast growth secret. A complete guide, all in one video. How to raise 3KG broilers in 5 weeks, best breed, and feed with maximum weight gain. Fastest way to grow broilers to 3KG in 5 weeks. Proven feed formula and tips. Watch to the end and make sure you share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Let's get there. Before I continue, let me give you 20 key qualities of the best broiler breed for fast growth and maximum weight gain. Number 1, fast growth rate. This breed reaches market weight 2 to 3 kg in 5 to 6 weeks. They have high feed conversion ratio. They can convert feed to meat efficiently and fastly. They have strong appetite. They eat consistently for rapid weight gain. They have good disease resistance, less prone to common poultry diseases. They have uniform growth. These birds grow at the same rate. Important for marketing. They have high breast meat yield. They are more valuable meat production breeds. Low mortality rate. They have high survival under proper management. Adaptability to climate. They perform very well in hot climates like Nigeria and other countries also. Strong legs and bones that supports heavy body growth weight without deformities. Early maturity. They reaches to market quickly than other breeds. That means you want to rear them in short period of time. This breed is the best for you. They will give you what you need within short period of time. Good feathering that protects birds and improves appearance. They have neat color. They are always neat. Efficient water utilization. Proper hydration supports growth and weight gain. High genetic potentials. They are bred specifically for commercial meat production. Tolerance to stress. They handle heat, transport, and environmental changes efficiently. High protein depositions. They build muscles instead of excess fats. Low fat accumulation. They produce lean and quality meat. Rapid weight gain in first 3 weeks. This is critical to growth phase because this is the best time for them to achieve the weight that will give them the maximum result at the long run. Compatibility with different feed. They perform well on various feed types, including local formulations and organic feed. Strong immune system. They respond well to vaccines and other organic medications. High market acceptance. They are preferred by buyers due to size and meat quality and taste. These breeds include cobb 500, cobb 700. They are excellent feed conversion ratio and fast growth breeds. Rose 308, very popular, strong performance and good quality breed. Arbor, good adaptability and weight gain. Hobart, classic, strong and hardy birds. These breeds give you 5 kg in 5 to 6 weeks with quality feed formula to match these genetics and a good growth plan. Do you want this in this particular video? Do you want a very good feed formula? Let me know on the comment section. Drop it on the comment section and make sure you give this video a thumb up so that this platform will share this video to reach more poultry farmers who are interested in getting the best breed that will give them the maximum result to retain them in the poultry business. Now let me give you the best feed plan from 0 to 5 weeks. for this particular breed that give you maximum results. Week 1 to 2, start with starter feed. You can still give them super starter depending on the company you are using. That has crude protein up to 22 to 20% crude protein. They are made up of maize, soybean meal, fufa soya, fish meal, and premise. The feed intake is 1 to 2 kg per bird the first 2 weeks of their life. Then week 3 to week 5, give them finisher feed. Crude protein should be between 90 to 20% crude protein. This increases energy more in their feed with maize. It reduces protein slightly. The feed intake should be 2.5 to 3 kg per bird between week 3 to week 5. Then this feed formula will give you the results you need for fast growth. Simple high growth mix for your broiler, good breed broiler, 100 kg. Please copy out these formulas. I'm going to call them out for you in this particular video so that you copy them out. You want a very fast growing mix for your broilers. Maize 50 kg, soybean meal 25 kg, groundnut cake 10 kg, fish meal 5 kg. Please, whenever you are using fish meal, look for a very quality fish meal for you to get the best results. Wheat offal 7 kg, premix plus additives 3 kg. This premix include enzyme, toxin binder, and vitamin and mineral mix. Then you need to add growth boosters, which is very important. Growth input boosters have natural growth boosters and commercial growth boosters. Garlic plus ginger water weekly in their drinking water is good. Multivitamins like banana and plantain, flowers, and others 3 days every week is good for them. Glucose, add it to their water. Then give them probiotic. If you have a co-bio booster, which is a very good organic substance for the optimal growth of your poultry birds, give it to them. If you don't have it, please let me know on the comment section. I will send it to you. This improves digestion and feed utilization. It helps them to manage stress also. There's another video I'm making after this video. A woman who have been using this in Lagos State, she have been using our EcoBoy booster always. The day she decided to make use of synthetic stress reliever or vitamin multivitamin, she encountered crisis in her poultry farm. She lost many birds because she wanted to test the ability of the synthetic, or she comparing synthetic with our EcoBoy booster. She lost most of her birds. That video is coming up after this video. This helps them to control temperature. Week 1, if you are brooding your birds, brood with appropriate temperature. Make sure you control the temperature for you to get this best result. Manage temperature very well. It is very important. Week 1 should be 32 to 34 degrees centigrade. Then you have to start dropping the temperature slowly and gradually. Give them clean water always. Change water 2 to 3 times daily to make sure they always have neat water. Dirty water is not good for them. It can increase the chance of getting diseased and poor growth and poor weight also. Feed them 24/7. That is, they must have feed always. But don't allow them to waste their feed because it will affect your profit. Never allow feed to finish in their container or their feeder. Never allow water to finish also. Broilers grow by constant eating and drinking of water. Good litter is good. Use dry wood shavings. Wet floor can cause sickness and at the same time cause stunted growth. You don't need to suffer them from any. If you put all these tips in place, these are your target weight plan. Week 1, 180 to 200 grams. Week 2, 500 to 700 grams. Week 3, 1.2 to 1.5 kg. Week 4, 2.3 to 2.5 kg. Week 5, 2.8 to 3.5 kg. Make sure you put all the tips I'm giving you in this video into action. Start with quality day-old chicks. Avoid overcrowding. 10 to 12 birds per square meter. Give light at night. They eat more at night because of reduced stress and noise. Reduce stress, noise, heat, and movement. Use good quality feed only. If you don't know any other feed formula, use the one I have given you in this particular video. And if you want more, let me know on the comment section. Truth you must know, getting 3 kg in 5 weeks is possible, but only if you have breed that is good for it. Feed is very high in quality. Management is excellent. Any mistake, you will end up with 2.2 to 2.5 instead. And they don't need to have any form of infection at all. Get very good feed formula to reach jumbo size broilers in that period of time. And make sure you scale your broilers on weekly basis to know if actually you are getting the right desired result you need. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers, and make sure you give it a thumb up. Drop your comment on the comment section so that we can continue from there. If you have anything you want to ask, drop it on the comment section of the particular video. Please share this video. Join our channel membership so that you become a good channel member. If you have any question regarding your poultry and livestock business, we'll always be here for you. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on the next video loading very soon. Don't go far. Bye for now.